Hi, I'm Ken Cooper with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to share with you this brand new 2018 Winnebago Navion 24D. Let's slip inside and give it a peek. This coach features a very long slide-out mechanism here. You'll notice that we have a full-size sofa right here, and directly across, take a peek at the amount of counter space that we have in this area here. Water filtration system, dual stainless steel sinks, storage up above right here, and the TV set is articulated so we can aim it at the pilot and co-pilot seat if we so desire. Convection microwave oven, 2-burner cooktop right there. Nice accent lighting here. And look at the amount of drawer storage that we have here. Now here's what's really neat about this coach. Directly across from the kitchen, the Murphy bed. Just a push of a button and down she goes, just like that. Queen size walk around bed, 110 plug-ins on both sides. Full vinyl floor in this coach here as well. Notice the size of the refrigerator here. And up above the coach command center, this coach is equipped with a 100-watt solar panel, monitor panel, slide-out control, inverter, holding tank heater, etc. Now, right here in this area, look at the amount of pantry storage that we have here. And up above, more storage as well. Now this model is a rear bath model, and what I wanted you to notice is the size of the shower right here. And this accent lighting is really neat. There's it's dim and there it's high. As I said, skylight up above. Self-cleaning shower door right here. And directly across from it here, lots of wardrobe there. I don't think you can get to it there, James, but lots of wardrobe. Good storage up above, storage down below. Now this coach is powered with a V6 Mercedes diesel engine here. Great fuel efficiency, lots of power, very quiet. You'll notice that the pilot and co-pilots do swivel, and this is ordered with the seat pad right here. Get you elevated up a little bit for more comfort. Now up above, overhead sleeping right there. Ladders right here. Nice illumination up there. And down here in this area, we've got storage built into this overhead. 5-speed transmission. This is the Infotainment Center here, so I've got navigation, backup camera, a lot of information right there. Hands-free phone right here. And this coach features the privacy blinds. Nicely done specification. We're going to slip outside and take a peek. Coach, of course, has the electric awning on it with the outside speakers. Coach is equipped with a 1,000-watt inverter. It's right there. Standard equipment on this coach, 3.6 Onan propane generator, smooth and quiet. Tankless hot water heater here, basically instant hot running water, unlimited supply. Very quiet, very fuel efficient as well. More storage down below, here as well. On the back side of the coach, LED lighting, ladder to get topside clean and inspect. This coach is capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds. Receiver's already there along with the wiring for it. Over on the street side, convenient location for the service entrance, right here, shoreline, outside shower. Blackwater flush right there. And moving forward, more storage in this area here. Another nice touch on this motorhome. Here is where you fill with propane. Now, propane tank is located between the frame rails in a good, safe position. Brand new 2018 Winnebago Navion 24D. If you'd like to know more about this motorhome, my name's Ken Cooper. You can reach me at that toll-free phone number below. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to hear from you soon.